Okay, so in this problem, Shikari opens a savings account with a deposit of $3,500. She deposits $500 6 months later and $800 at the 9-month mark after opening the account. The balance in the account 1 year after opening it is $5,012. Assuming the account grows by compound interest at a constant annual effective interest rate I, find I. Okay, so to start out with it, I just created this little timeline. So at 0, there's 3,500 deposited, so that's positive. It's from Shikari's perspective. And then at the 6-month mark, there's 500. And then at the 9-month mark, there's 800 deposited. You can see here at 3, just to make it evenly spaced out, I put 0. But for this example, I'm supposed to do it out by monthly. But before I get into how I entered it into the cash flow worksheet, here's just an example of the time 12 equation, just to make it more clear. So you see 3,500 A of 12 plus 500 A of 12 V of 6 plus 800 A of 12 V of 9 minus 5,012. And so the way I entered it in is, so C of 0 should be 3,500 because that's what happens at C0. But then for your C1 should be 0, and then your frequency for that, or F1, should be 5, because that would be at times 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because you can see up here, there isn't another deposit until times 6, so that's why it's 5. And then C2 is 500. You put 1 for T equals 6. C3, you have 0 for times 7 and 8, and that's why it's 2. 800, frequency 1, times 9. And then for times 10 and 11, it's 0. And then C6 is negative 5,012. And then if you want to pull it up on your calculator, you can do cash flow second clear work. So let's just enter in these numbers. That would be, 3,500, enter. 5 for F01, and then 500 for C2. There's a 1 there already. I enter 2, and then 800. And then 2, and then it's negative 5,012, and then just go up back through, make sure that all looks right. Looks good to me. Yeah, so then IRR compute gives you 0.4374%. So approximate it there. And then your annual rate is going to be 1 plus, and I called that J, the 0.4374%. So that's, so you have 1 plus J to the 12th minus 1, which equals 1.004374 to the 12th minus 1, which about equals 5.3769%. So that would be the annual interest rate.